Hey everyone, my name is Nick and in this short YouTube video I will show you how to link your partner in CoupleJoy application. This is how this application looks like, so let's get started. All you need to do is just open up this application. Well, on this page at the very top you can find two profile icons. You need to click on the second one, just click on it, and here you find the necessary page, connect with your partner. Here you can find your code, you can just copy it and send it to your girlfriend or boyfriend, or if you have your partner's code, just enter it in this field, just like that, and click on connect. And after that, your partner will be linked to you. So it was a very short video about how to link your partner in this application. If this video was really helpful for you, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.